Students, yesterday we complete till page number 31 till Robert. Okay, now see, Robert asked Polanyi if he took John's crazy idea of going to Dopin seriously. That time Polanyi said there was something about her and it might be worth trying. Okay, Polanyi said. Now listen, next line, Robert. Okay, here next line, Robert. Oh, come on, Polly, you must be out of your mind. Okay, you all what took that John's crazy idea. So, oh, come on, Polly, you must be out of your mind. Okay, till here. Now, next, see, Polanyi again, unmoved, okay, with full of confidence. What is wrong with it? The Dopin is in Chinon. Okay, Chinon means cities in France, royal family, all there only they resided. Okay, see here, meaning also here given. One of the cities in France where royal family resided during the 100 Years' War. The Dopin took refuge in Chinon. Refuge means place that is safe. Refuge means, okay. Now see, like a rat in a corner. Okay. The Dopin is in Chinon like a rat in a corner. Except that he won't fight. The English will take Orleans. He will not be able to stop them. Okay. Now again, Polanyi also said, okay, who? Dopin is in Chinon and like a rat, means same like rat, he hide there and given up and refused to fight against English. Okay, English will definitely take Orleans. He will not be able to stop them. Okay, Dopin is scared and would not fight to stop the English. That means, okay. Now next again see Robert. He beat the English the year before, last at Montargis. I was with him, okay. Year before he beat the English. Where? At Montargis. I was with him. I was means here Robert. That time Robert with him. With him means here who? Dopin. Okay. Next again Polanyi. Now listen. Again Polanyi. Okay. But his men are cowed. Cowed means frightened. Okay. Cowed means frightened. And now he can't work miracles. And I tell you that nothing can save our side now but a miracle. Okay. Now miracle also can't work. And I tell you that nothing can save our side now but a miracle. Now only miracle. It will be change. Okay. Next again Robert. Okay. Miracles are alright, Polly. The only difficult about them is that they don't happen nowadays. Nowadays miracle that all not happen. Okay. They don't happen nowadays. Who said? Robert said. Okay. Robert said miracles are alright. It's okay, Polly. The only difficulty about them is that they don't happen nowadays. Nowadays we never believe miracles all that. Okay. They don't happen nowadays. That means, okay. Now again Polanyi. Okay. I used to think so. I am not so sure now. There is something about her. There again and again he is saying, see, there is something about her. Her means here John. Okay. I think the girl herself is a bit of miracle. I think the girl herself a bit of miracle. Okay. He believes that John herself is a bit of miracles to pre-Orleans. That means, okay. See. Anyhow, this is our last chance. No other way. This is only last chance remaining for us. Let's see what she can do. Let's see what she can do. Who said? Polanyi. Okay. Now again Robert. Now again Robert. Okay. See Robert. Wavering. Wavering means Hesitating. Wavering means hesitating. See here, meaning given. Huh? You really think that? You really think that? Let's see what she can do. You really think that? Okay, now Paul and G, see, turning. Is there anything else left for us to think? Is any other way left for us to think? Let's take a chance. Her words have put fire into me. Her words have put fire into me. See, put fire into me means have inspired or motivated me. Her words, her confidence, her courage. Okay, that inspired and motivated me. That's why let's see what she will do. Okay. Now Robert giving up. Wave. You are as mad as she is. Wave means actually here expression of being tired. Lose all hope that time. Okay. Expression of being tired. You are as mad as she is. You are also, that John already mad. You are also as mad as John. Who said? Robert said. To whom? Paul and G. Okay. Now see here one question. Here one question given. See. Was the Dauphin fit to be a prince and heir? Actually, heir means all legal property owner. Okay. Owner of that property, whatever it is. Okay. Here question asked, what was the Dauphin fit to be prince and heir? No. Okay. The Dauphin was not fit to be prince and heir. Why? Why? He hide like a rat in a corner. So, okay, not fit. You write answer, huh? Like that. And here one more question, see. One more question. What was the Squire's opinion about miracles? Actually, here only see. Miracles are alright, dash, dash, dash. Till nowadays, that answer. In front of that question, answer. Miracles to nowadays. Okay. Now see, page number 32. Okay, page number 32. You see, page number 32. Page number 32. Now, Paul and G. Okay. Obstinately means firm manner. Obstinately means firm manner. We want a few mad people now. Means why? Robert called him also mad. No, so he said we want a few mad people now. See where the same ones have landed us. Same like us. You search, go and search. Same like us. Okay, mad people. Now Robert. I feel like a fool. Still, if you feel sure, I'm feeling like a fool. Okay. Next, again Paul and Jean. I feel sure enough to take her to Chinan unless you stop me. Okay. Now I feel sure, yes, definitely I will take that John to Chinan unless you stop me. You don't stop me. Okay. Next to Robert. Again Robert. Okay. Do you think I ought to have another talk with her? I must talk with her. I want to talk with her. I want another talk with her. Okay. Now Paul and G. Okay. Going to the window. Going to the window. Yes, John. Come up. He called John. Okay. Now John enters. Paul and G. Gravely, be seated, John. Gravely means seriously. Okay, seriously, be seated, John. Now, little respect he had given now. Okay, be seated, John. Now, Robert. Again asked, what is your name? Now, John. They always called me Jenny in Lorraine. In Lorraine, all are called me Jenny. Okay, in Lorraine, all are called me Jenny. And here in France, I am John. Here in France, all are calling me John. I am John here, okay? The soldiers call me the maid. All soldiers call me maid, okay? See, again listen. In Lorraine, they all call me Jenny. And in France, John. And soldiers call John the maid, okay? How old are you? Again he asked, how old are you? 17. So they tell me, okay, 17. It might be 19. It might be 19. I don't remember. All are saying 17. It might be 19. I don't remember. Who said? John said. Okay. Now again, Robert. I suppose you think raising a siege is as easy as chasing a cow out of a meadow. You think soldiering is anybody's job? Okay. Now again he wants to discourage her. Okay. War means, see here, raising a siege. That means here meaning given. Raising a siege means surround from all sides and attack, removing the forces surrounding a place. That means would not be as easy as chasing a cow out of the meadow. Not easy job. Okay. How? Chasing a cow out of a meadow. Meadow means what? Piece of grassland. Piece of grassland. Okay. Called meadow. Again he discouraged her. Okay. Actually John means poor village girl. Okay. Peasant's girl. That's why he said like this. Okay. Chasing a cow out of a meadow. Okay. You think soldiering is anybody's job? Not easy job. Soldiering means. Okay. Like that. He tried to discourage her. Okay. Now again John. I don't think it can be very difficult if God is on your side. Okay. See how she said. See, I don't think it can be very difficult if God is on your side. It shows John is a person of immense faith. Means God. Hope. Okay. She kept hope. Always God is on your side. Now see here one question given. What did Robert accused Polanyi of? Actually Robert accused Polanyi of being as mad as John. Okay. Being as mad as John. And one more question. See here one more question given. What shows John is a person of immense faith? Okay. See this one here. I don't think it can be very difficult if God is on your side. You write, I don't to till your side. After that again see question. Okay. Shows that John is a person of immense faith. Okay. Continue the question after that again. Okay. See you tomorrow.